do you know that Claude AI can automatically generate a viral content for you? Now let's go there. All I need you to do, just get a seat, sit down and watch this video to the end. Let me show you how to generate a viral content for your social media. If you have a Facebook page, if you have a Facebook profile, if you have a YouTube, if you have anything in social media, sit down, let me show you how to generate a viral content, viral image, viral video using Claude AI. And also you can also do it using other AIs, but today we'll focus on using Claude AI. So you go to your Claude AI. This is my Claude AI. So I want to be generating a viral content automatically. Every time I come, I'll just generate content within few minutes. Generate the videos, the images, and the content within few minutes and post. So I will be walking you through step by step. Let's go in. Now all you need to do is you come to your Claude AI, or you can, this works also in ChatGPT and Grok. You can still do it using those AIs, but today we want to focus on Claude AI. So all you need to do is you come to new chat. Here is already on new chat. So what you say here is I want to create a project. What you do is you create a project. Project simply means you reusable prompt that you can use. Reusable prompt. So you say I want to create a project in Claude, right? AI for my Facebook. If it's a Facebook page, if it's a YouTube, if it's Instagram, whatever you put it, for my Facebook. So you have told it what you want. So what do you do in that Facebook? Is it what kind of content? I will say I share motivational contents on my Facebook that attracts, motivates, and inspire my audience, and as well solve real life problems. Now this is what's your niche on your Facebook or your social media. Now this is your niche. Now you have told it what you want to do. Then you have told the Claude AI your niche. Now what do you want? Now I want you to create a reusable prompt for me that I can use to automatically generate contents on different topics. Right now, from here now, you just full stop. Just say if you understand. I'm communicating with it now. Are you getting me? I'm communicating with this. If you understand, say yes, and don't do anything. Let's see. Yes, he understands. Now in this project, I want to just be entering my topic, and the AI will do a thorough research and give an original inspiring and motivational output. The output may be a quote. There's an E. A quote. Is it? A quote. An advice or a message. Also write a prompt to generate an image that further explain the earlier contents or the earlier output. Are you following? Just follow me gradually. The earlier output. Good. And if there are image or images, whichever one, ensure that they are of African, in brackets, Nigerian image that resonates with my audience. Now create. You now enter it and wait for it to create. This video, I don't want it to, so it have created, is creating. This is the prompt, is giving it. Good. Now from here, also you can, now this is it here, this is it. You can download this or you can copy it. You can say give me the name and description of this project. Good. You can also do it like this, and it's here. So good. So all you need to do is just copy this. You copy it. If you copy it, you can go to your open a Microsoft. Let's say Control N, open a new Microsoft and paste it here. Now after pasting it here, you save it. You can save it. Let me save it to downloads. So let me say prompt. Let me use prompt so that I can recognize it. So I have saved it. So after saving it, I close it. So I'll come back to this one. Now I'll copy this prompt here. I will need it. I'll copy it out. All this, I'll copy it. I'll copy it out. If I copy it out, I'll paste it. I'll paste it here. I'll also copy this project and description. I'll copy it also and I'll paste it. I'll paste it. Then I'll now come to the Claude AI here. I'll now come to project. Now this is a previous project I'm using for my LinkedIn, as you can see. For my LinkedIn, then you come here, new project. Now you go to your list, you put your project name here. This is the name. You copy it, you give it a name here. You also come here. This is the description. Good. Once you copy it here, you paste it here. Then you create a project. Good. Now that is not all. That is not all. So there are two ways you can attach that file we saved, the Microsoft Word. You upload it here. This is it. You put it here. It is here. And also you can add the instruction here also. Now that instruction, if you like, this one is still the same thing with what we uploaded. If you like, you leave it. If you like, you can also put it here, instruction. You add it here and see if you have done this, you have created the project. So all you need to do is, whenever you need to create your content, just come here, just tell it, create a content for me on, now you think of a topic. Now what kind of topic, what topic are we going to use? You think of a topic to use. So any topic depending on your niche, right? Depending on your niche. Now what did we say was our niche? Now a post that solves problem, right? Motivational, that motivate people. Now create a post for me on, let's say, adulthood. Let's say adulthood, right? And it's, let's say, realities, just for instance. And this all you need, and you just click on go, put in another prompt for it. Okay, so the prompt is generating. This is it. So this is the post, and this is the image prompts. They said, enjoy your youth before adulthood comes. Nobody mentioned adulthood doesn't knock, it just moves. One day you blah 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 blah. Is that so? That is the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to take this prompt again and take it to my Nano Banana, so to regenerate. So I'll put it here again and regenerate it. Okay, so I don't want this video to be too lengthy. Okay, our video is ready. So this is a content already. We have our content to post in this. We have our content generated already. It has given you the content, it has given you the hashtags, everything you need to post. It has given you, all you need to do is just click on the image you want. This is it. Very realistic. You upscale it, you download it. Once you download it, you take it to your social media. If it is Facebook, if it is whatever, you just take it there and post it and watch it go viral, because it has given you everything you need, including the title, it's including everything, the hashtags, the tags, and just improve it. So I don't want this video to be lengthy. I would have shown you how to upload it to your socials, Facebook, but that will be a different video. Thank you. If you have a question, you can ask me on the comment section. I'll be there waiting for your comments, questions, and suggestions. Also, do well to always visit this channel and watch the entertaining and educative videos. Now this is it. These are the videos. You can see them, very realistic. So once you post them, everybody will want to stop and see what is happening in your page, in your social media handle. This is how it is being generated within few seconds. All you need to do is automate your AI and it will do all this work for you in split seconds. Thank you very much. I come your way again.